for apple, apple means sheep. B for ball, ball means gate. C for cat, cat means billy. D for dog, dog means kutta. E for elephant, elephant means hathi. F for fish, fish means machli. G for grapes, grapes means angur. H for hen, hen means murgi. I for ice cream, ice cream means ice cream. J for jug, jug means jug. K for kite, kite means patang. L for lion, lion means sher. M for mango, mango means aam. N for nest, nest means ghosla. O for owl, owl means ullu. P for parrot, parrot means tota. Q for queen, queen means rani. R for rose, rose means gulab. S for sun, sun means surya. T for tiger, tiger means bagh. U for umbrella, umbrella means shata. V for vegetable, vegetable means sabji. W for watch, watch means घड़ी. X for Xmas tree, Christmas का पेड़. Y for yak, yak means yak. J for zebra, zebra means डलियाई घोड़ा. Like, share and subscribe Young Children